We are at Telno Cave. What I love in that place is that it's close to the Sea of Galilee, and for so many of the Christians, evangelists, this is not less than the place of the miracle of the pigs. The other side, you can see Tiberias. Magdala is the cliff that you can see there, cliff of the Arbel, and the land of Jesus. Capernaum, Kfar Nahum, is right there. Jordan River entered to the Sea of Galilee and reached that area. And this is the end. This is the land of Jesus. Then it's actually, you can find it in Luke 9 and in Mark 5. I'm reading it from Luke 9, but it's almost the same idea. And they sailed to the region of the Gerasenes, which is across the lake from Galilee. This is the Jewish part. This is the non-Jewish part. This is Philippus. This is the side of Antipas, and Capernaum is the border. And here you can find Jews, and here you can find non-Jews. Then remember the miracle of the pigs? Pigs in Israel? No, there are no pigs in Israel. Then in that case, this is the side of the miracle. He sailed from one side to the other side. When Jesus stepped ashore, he was met by a demon possessed, a man from the town nearby. For a long time, this man had no warm clothes or lived in a house, but he had lived in tombs. If the city is to the other side, then outside the city you will find tombs, a non-pure area. When he saw Jesus, he cried out and fell to his feet, shouting at the top of his voice, "What do you want with me, Jesus, Son of the Most High God?" Now, for me, this is the miracle. The only one who saw Jesus as Son of God is a lunatic guy. It's not the first chapter, and still in that chapter, in that moment, someone knew who Jesus was. I will read it again. "What do you want from me, Jesus, Son of the Most High God? I beg you, don't torture me." For Jesus, now let me go a little bit further. Where it is. For Jesus had commanded the impure spirit to come out of the man. Many times it had seized him, where it is, and thought he chained hand and foot and kept under guard. He had broken his chain and had been driven by the demon into solitary places. By the way, if you're talking about demons, until 1967, behind the road, it was Syria. Until 1967, the demons of Syria used to shoot the people who actually sailed here, and this is the kibbutz. Wow, look at that. 7 people actually died here. 1 is still missing. Sorry, about 8 people. That place was taken by the Jews because from here the Syrian used to shoot the people. Then Gav actually suffered, as you can see. Then Israel actually took that place from the Syrian. Later on, 1967, they took everything from here. I don't know if you can see the yellow signs. I don't know. Now I think you can see it. This is a minefield. Then don't cross fences in the Golan Heights. Jesus asked him, "What is your name?" "Legion," he replied, because many demons had gone into him. Legion is a name of one of the, actually of a big Roman legion, a platoon. Then we're talking about lots of people in his body, lots of demons. And then they begged Jesus repeatedly not to order them to go into the abyss. And you can see the abyss in front of you. Right in front of you. A large herd of pigs was feeding there on the hillside. Guys, pigs, it's okay here. It's not a kosher place. It's not a Jewish place. Oh, look at the helicopter of IDF. I don't know if you can see it. Yes, I think you can. We are not so far away from Syria. And you can even see the Mount Hermon with the snow on top of it. Actually, it's not it, and that's the border between Syria, Israel, and Lebanon. Then the demons begged Jesus not to let them go into their pigs, and he gave them. When the demons came out of the men, they went into the pigs, and the herd rushed down the steep bank into the lake and was drowned. I mean, you can see it. I think they actually could rain down from here straight into the Sea of Galilee and then drown. But the second most important thing for me is that the man whom the demons had gone out begged to go with him, but Jesus sent him away, saying, "Return home. Tell how much God has done for you." So the man went away and told all over town how much Jesus had done for him. Guys, there are no Jews. This is one of the first times that non-Jews heard about Jesus. Maybe he will be the first bishop or the first, I don't know, community, the head of a new community of people who believed in Jesus, and there are no Jews. And this is beautiful. This is beautiful. And for me, this is not only a miracle with the pigs. It's not only that the first man who realized who is Jesus, even before the disciples. It's a story of a mentally sick man who was cured by the help of Jesus. And I know that a lot of you are dealing with that in your families, your friends, because I'm getting from time to time, I'm getting some messages, comments of it, to pray for them. You can pray for it as well, in the place that, according to the Christians, the miracle actually happened. And a man who was mentally sick, he had 6,000 demons in his body, became cured. I mean, even a messenger of Christ. Then this is the time for you to pray. It's not the end of the video, but Sorry about my singing, but that's what I feel now. You can see the mustard seed, another important thing from a small seed. Big tree will grow just with the faith. I'm blessing each one of you. Each one of you. I wish that you will be better and better. You will choose whatever you want. But this is the time to be healed and better person. Mercy for everyone who hates you and love you. Everyone deserves it. Darling, la, la. You can see every part of the Sea of Galilee now from that amazing place. And the Golan Heights. Let me just correct something before we are actually going to an amazing grace to each one of you. The battle that was Syrian kind of camp, and in 1962 we took it from the Syrian that used to shoot us every day. You can see how close it is to the fisherman. And guess who was a fisherman? St. Peter. And 8 people actually been killed here. 1 person is still missing. Then let's pray for them too. Thank you very much for being with me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Be part of my family. Write something about the mercy thing that you want to do or you just did lately. Thank you.